everyone! Kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. For those of you who are current subscriber on this channel, thank you for subscribing to our channel. And for those of you who are new to our channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. And if you're going to like this video, well, if you're a vegan or you like something different, you are going to like this video because this is a very quick and easy vegetable recipe. Today, we are going to cook a Chinese broccoli. Let me show you what it looks like. This is a Chinese broccoli. This is washed and chopped already, so all I have to do is saute it. So the recipe we're going to do today is not really like my authentic, like a Filipino authentic recipe. This is more like a recipe served in a dim sum restaurant, like mostly Chinese restaurant. So what we do with this one is just saute it. It's a quick process. You just have to be very careful not to overcook the broccoli. When you overcook this type of vegetable, the Chinese broccoli, this is like a bokchoy. So you don't want to overcook it. You just want to like blanch it for a little bit and saute it, but not overcook it because you still want it to be crunchy. The texture is good. For those of you who don't really like cabbage or bok choy, but you like broccoli, the taste of it is like broccoli, but the texture is like a bok choy and a cabbage. So if you want to learn how to make a sauteed Chinese broccoli, please keep watching. Before we start, I'm going to show you this shirt that I got from Amazon. It says be kind. I'm gonna provide a link down below from an Amazon. You could get this anywhere in Amazon. It doesn't have to be that to follow that link. I like this shirt. I think it's good to spread kindness throughout the social media instead of being so mean about some comments and stuff. So let's spread kindness. Let's be kind. Again, I hope you're going to like this video. Give it a thumbs up and please share that recipe to everybody that you know that are vegan. And also follow us on Facebook, same name, Dash of Spices. I will provide the link down below in the description box, and also Instagram. So let's start cooking.
And here's the ingredients. I got this Chinese broccoli at the Asian market. I think this is the only place you could get this from. First things first, we are going to cut the Chinese broccoli. This depends on your preferences, but I like to cut mine. Just cut that diagonally. Just detach the branches with the leaves. Just detach that into a serving piece. And with this one, I just detached that one with the leaves again, just like that. And I cut that one too. And this one, I'm just gonna divide this or cut this in the middle. You could also cook this as is, but I like to do mine. I like mine to be cut into a serving size. Also, you might be wondering if this was washed already. This was not washed. I like to chop this type of veggies. Anything with branches like this, like the bok choy, I like to chop them first before I wash them because it's easy. It's easier for me to get through those branches, all the dirt in there. Once you cut them, it's easy access to the water. If you rinse it with the water, with running water, it's easier for the water to clean the vegetable. That's just my preference. I know some people would like to wash them first. Once it's done, when I'm done cutting it, now I just rinse it off. You rinse this off thoroughly. It's easier to rinse them when they're cut like that. And now just drain the water. Just put this Chinese broccoli on a strainer and just let that sit. This should be ready to be cooked. Now we're going to boil a pot of water. We also going to need a cold water. You might need a big container. You could put ice as well. Now when the water starts boiling, this is ready to blanch the Chinese broccoli. Make sure to be careful because it's boiling water, so that means it's hot. Don't blanch this over a minute. It's just a quick blanching. And now soak this directly to that very cold water. This will prevent for the vegetable to get overcooked. So that stays the texture of the vegetable. And now in a skillet, heat up some coconut oil. You could use any oil, whichever you prefer. And now just add that onions, garlic, and ginger. Saute this until lightly brown. And when the onions and garlic and gingers are ready and aromatic, basically that's what we're after for, add the Chinese broccoli. Just saute this gently and cook this on low to medium heat, not high heat. Now add the sesame oil, also some soy sauce, and some seasoning, a dash of garlic, salt, and some black pepper. We're gonna make this vegetable recipe as quick and simple as possible. I know some people would like to add oyster sauce, but I don't like oyster sauce. I rather use a shrimp paste. Saute this in less than a minute. Don't overcook this. And this is ready. Now transfer this directly into a serving plate. This is better if you serve this nice and hot. Again, this is just like the same texture as bokchoy, so you want to serve this nice and hot. And also add that sauce. Don't forget the sauce. Just drizzle or pour over that sauce on top of the vegetable, and also the onions and the garlics, everything, all the flavors come together. And there you go, guys. Isn't that looks so delicious? Very quick and easy.
Okay guys, I hope you liked that video. Again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, share the recipe, follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and like the video. Again, thank you for those of you who subscribe to our channel. We didn't expect to get more than 150 subscribers, and we're really thankful for everyone who supported us. We are not that big yet, but we're getting in there, hopefully soon. Thank you for watching Dash of Spices. Until next time, ciao. Don't forget, be kind.